In the shadows of the Zagros Mountains, a people was born whose roots stretch back thousands of years. The Greeks called them the Karduchoi, fierce mountain warriors who never surrendered. In the Middle Ages, Kurdish principalities rose to power. Their most famous son, Saladin, born in Tikrit, united kingdoms and reclaimed Jerusalem in 1187. After the First World War, the Treaty of Sèvres promised the Kurds a homeland of their own. The promise was broken. Lausanne, in 1923, divided Kurdistan among 4 states. Sheikh Mahmud's uprising was crushed by British bombers. In 1961, Mustafa Barzani rose up. His Peshmerga, those who faced death, waged guerrilla war through the mountain passes against the armies of Baghdad. Then came the betrayal. In Algiers, 1975, Saddam Hussein and the Shah shook hands. Iranian support vanished overnight. The resistance collapsed. Barzani died in exile. During the Anfal campaign, 4,000 Kurdish villages were destroyed. Tens of thousands of civilians were murdered, buried in mass graves in the desert. On the 16th of March, 1988, mustard gas and nerve agents fell on Halabja. 5,000 civilians died within minutes. The images shocked the world. In 1991, the Kurds rose again. Raperin, the awakening. When Saddam's Republican Guard struck back, nearly 2 million people fled into the freezing mountains. Under a no-fly zone, the Kurdistan region took shape. Erbil became a thriving capital. When ISIS attacked in 2014, the Peshmerga once again stood as the people's shield. Today, the fires of Nivroz burn once more on the mountaintops. For the first time in recorded history, the Kurds govern themselves, under their own flag, in their own language.